Today, I'll show you how to download GTA 6 on your computer for free. The first thing to do is download the installer, which I'll leave in the video description. We open the installer. We click on the install button. Enter the invitation number. We click on the validate button. We click on the continue button. Start downloading the game and installing it. I'll skip ahead to the video. We click on the close button. We open the game. As you can see, the installation is very easy. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.